I just wanted to do a quick review and unboxing of this craft organizer. It comes pretty much fully assembled, and although mine arrived without any damage, there is no padding at all in the box. So make sure you check it carefully before setting it up. A couple of the drawers had some clear tape on them, so if the drawer isn't opening, that might be why. The drawers slide in and out smoothly, even when full. There should be a bag in one of the drawers with the wheels. These are optional, and the organizer works just fine without them. To attach the wheels, simply flip over the organizer and insert them into the 4 holes on the bottom. I actually like the all-plastic design of this as it makes it easy to clean. I plan on using this as an additional storage space for my makeup. Overall, it's a decent budget organizer, and although it won't win any stability awards, it's great for many uses as long as you keep in mind its limitations.